Oh yeah, it's working okay. Hello, YouTube. I have black hair now, and I'm in the living room with Tasha and Renee, looking at pictures of Taiwan. Look at him. Look at him. This is him before. Fuck them hoes. And then after. This is the after. This is after. After. Look at his nose. Look at his nostrils. Woo! Taiwani, I love you. Taiwani, I love you. I said I love you. Okay, look at the bathroom. Bathroom time, and I don't know. I feel like I have all the bitches. Yes, I have all the bitches. Okay, look at me. Pretty. I know, right? Look at me. Look at it. My nails look so ratchet. Look at it. It looks so ratchet. That's ratchet. That's so ratchet. But, I don't know. Lame ass bitches, stop hitting me up. I don't want your man. I have my own, actually. Yeah, he's hot. How do I look at black hair? That's the question. How do I look black hair? Cute. Yeah, I know. Oh, ratchet bitch. Oh, I'm gonna do the intro soon to How to Keep Your Man Bitch, the trilogy. Yeah, it's coming pretty soon. But yeah, I'm bored. Wait, let's see what time it is. It's nighttime. It is nighttime, and it is 1:24 in the morning. We do not sleep over here in this house. No one ever sleeps. Janae doesn't sleep, but the baby does sleep. Nobody sleeps. Look at her. She's messing with him. Very boring. Go to the kitchen. This is where I live. Yes, we do. We have ice cream for days. Look at the freezer. I wish I could show you. There's another video with the flash on. But this is Bella. Bella Bells, the baddest, signing out.